Marketmind, the Patron's deep pockets and brief arms. Take a look at the day in advance in markets from Anshuman Daga. If markets had been seeking out more information to assist the latest Fed-induced optimism, then earnings scorecards from Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, and Amazon, Nasdaq, AMZN, furnished the boost. The tech bellwethers pointed to resilient client call for and forecast strong income regardless of runaway inflation, spurring a upward thrust in their shares. Still, clients were persnickety, as Walmart NYSE, WMT's effects showed. We will know greater approximately how deep their pockets are and in which inflation pinched them on Friday, whilst Colgate-Palmolive NYSE, CL, and Procter & Gamble NYSE, PG, display consequences. There's additionally a host of news due from both facets of the Atlantic, which includes the U.S. Patron spending and wages facts, and other customer indicators from France and Germany. The University of Michigan's very last Client Sentiment Index reading for July is due, and possibly stayed unchanged at 51.1. While records on Friday made for grim analyzing, with the U.S. economic system contracting inside the second area and customer spending developing at its slowest tempo in years, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen pointed to broad energy in the economic system, specifically in jobs. In Europe, the focus could be at the Eurozone's second quarter GDP numbers and CPI for July. This comes after German inflation edged up all of a sudden in July, driven via an strength supply crisis. For now, the backdrop of an upbeat company effects points to a more potent begin for European inventory futures, after Asian equity markets posted profits. Banks, a proxy of monetary boom, will take the lead from Asia-focused Standard Chartered (OTC), SCBFF, which is set to document a drop in second quarter profit, but attention may be on its outlook. BNP Paribas (OTC), BNPQY comes later. The greenback is stuck near a 6-week low as opposed to the yen, drag decrease by means of a pointy retreat in Treasury yields. Key developments that should provide extra path to markets on Thursday: economic records, Eurozone Q2 GDP, US Q2 Employment Cost Index, non-public income, June non-public spending, France Q2 GDP and June client spending, Germany Q2 GDP and July unemployment facts, UK nationwide residence price index, Spain flash July CPI and Q2 GDP major earnings, Exxon NYSE, XOM, Procter & Gamble, Chevron NYSE, CVX, AstraZeneca, Nasdaq, AZN, Colgate-Palmolive, BNP Paribas. Amazon sees resilient consumer call for as stocks leap 13% despite Xi's fire name with Biden prevented Taiwan escalation.